I've been exploring the Fundrise app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Fundrise app. Fundrise basically gives everyday investors access to private market assets like real estate, private credit, and venture capital, investment opportunities that were once reserved for the wealthy or institutional players. With a low minimum investment of just $10, Fundrise is accessible to both accredited and non-accredited investors, making it easy for anyone to get started. The app lets you choose from a variety of proprietary funds, including REITs and E-funds, which invest in everything from residential and commercial properties to private tech companies and real estate lending. You can select a plan based on your goals, whether that's income, balanced growth, or long-term appreciation, and Fundrise will build a diversified portfolio for you, or you can customize your allocation if you want more control. One standout feature is Fundrise's auto-invest option, allowing you to set up recurring deposits and grow your alternative investments passively over time. The platform also offers quarterly liquidity for many of its funds. Though it's important to remember that these investments are generally less liquid than stocks, they're best suited for a long-term horizon of at least 5 years. Fundrise's technology-driven approach means you get real-time reporting, low fees, and streamlined account management. There are no hidden carried interest fees, and the annual fee for real estate investments is a competitive 0.85%. You can monitor your portfolio, review performance, and access educational resources right from the app. Returns vary by fund and market conditions, but recent figures show net total returns ranging from about 5% to 8% annually, depending on your chosen plan. While Fundrise isn't ideal for those seeking quick liquidity, it's a strong option if you want passive exposure to real estate and other alternatives without the hassle of direct property ownership or high capital requirements. In short, Fundrise makes investing in alternatives simple, affordable, and transparent, perfect for anyone looking to expand their investment horizons. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.